Welcome to my channel. How to reset any Wi-Fi router the right way. Step 1. Keep the router powered on. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is plugged in and turned on before starting the reset process. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the back or bottom of the router. You may need a paperclip to press it. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router lights start blinking. Step 4. Release the button. Let go of the reset button and allow the router to begin the factory reset. Step 5. Wait for the router to restart. Give the router 2 to 5 minutes to fully reboot. Do not unplug it during this time. Step 6. Connect to the default Wi-Fi. Use the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router's label to reconnect your device. Step 7. Open the router login page. Open a web browser and enter the router's default IP address, such as 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, to access the settings. Step 8. Sign in with default credentials. Log in using the default username and password found on the router label or in the user manual. Step 9. Set up your Wi-Fi network. Create a new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, set a strong password, and configure any other settings you need. Step 10. Save settings and test the connection. Save your changes, reconnect your devices, and test your internet connection to make sure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.